Welcome to Miss Young Tutors. Today's video is all on Roman numerals. You might wonder why Roman numerals are important or when you might use them. Two examples are reading a clock. Some clocks, you might have them in your house, a watch, still show Roman numerals, so it's good to understand how to use them. Or sport. Sometimes in the American football, they show what year the Super Bowl is by using Roman numerals. And an extra bonus one, you might see Roman numerals used at the end of a TV programme to tell you what year something is made in. Let's recap our Roman numerals. I'm not going to go through every single Roman numeral, but as you can see, here is a list of the different Roman numerals. So you've got I is 1, 2 I's 2, 3 I's 3, IV 4, V 5, and so on and so on. X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000, MD is 1500. Using these, it can help us to understand how we use them. So our rule, when using Roman numerals with a smaller value, comes after a Roman numeral with an equal or greater value. They are added together. So you can see in our example, xi, 10 plus 1 equals 11. But if we had it the other way round, ix, it would be 10 minus 1, which gives us 9. When a Roman numeral with a smaller value comes before a numeral with a greater value, it is subtracted, just like I've just said. But here's a different example. xc, so 100, because that's our greatest number, subtract 10 gives us 90. The same Roman numeral cannot be used more than 3 times in a row. If we look at our Roman numerals grid, we can see III is 3, VIII is 8, 3 X's is 30, but then if we move on to the next number, our 4 is represented with an IV, because we can't have the same Roman numeral 3 times. So to show 400, we can't represent it with 4 C's, it would have to be CD, our biggest number, subtract the smaller number. Let's practice some SATs questions. Here is our first question. Here is a number written in Roman numerals. Write the number in figures. So let's break down the number to see if that can help you. So C equals 100, X equals 10, V equals 5. So we can add 100 plus 10 plus 5, which gives us 115. Next question. Here is a number written in Roman numerals. Write the number in figures. X equals 10, VII equals 7, so 10 plus 7 equals 17. Next question. Here are 4 numbers written in Roman numerals. Write the numbers in order, starting with the smallest. So before you start writing any in the right boxes, let's work out each one, its numerical digit in its digit form. So XCII, so XC is 90, II is 2, so XCII is 92. XX, so we know X is 10, so 2 X's is 20. XVII, so we've got X is 10, VII is 7, so our number is 17. And finally CXI, so C is 100 and XI is 11, so CXI is 111. And now we can put them in order starting from the smallest. So our smallest Roman numerals is XVII. Our second one is XX. Then it's XCII. And finally, CXI is our greatest number. Next question. Here are some numbers written in Roman numerals. Circle the number that is closest to 500. So we're going to do exactly the same thing as what we've just done. We're going to convert them into digits so that we can then work out which is the closest to 500. So CD, so D is 500 and C is 100. So CD is 400. CD XC, so we know from the previous number that CD is 400. XC is 90, because it's 100 subtract 10, so CD XC is 490. LXI, so L is 50, X is 10, I is 1, so we can see LX1 is 61. And finally DIX, so D is 500, IX is 9, so 509. So circle the number that is closest to 500. So 509 is closer than any of the others. So DIX. Next question. In the addition below, the numbers are written in Roman numerals. XV plus IX. Work out the result of the addition. Give your answers in Roman numerals. So let's convert them into digits, and then we can convert them back into Roman numerals. So XV equals 15. IX is 9. So if we add them together, we get 24. Now we need to represent 24 as Roman numerals. So 20 equals XX, 4 equals IV. So at 24 would be XXIV, and that would be our answer. Next question. The table shows some years written in figures and in Roman numerals. Complete the table. So it's already given us 2018 and MMXVII. So our Roman numerals here, so our 2000 is represented by 2 M's, our 10 is represented by our X, and our 8 is represented by our VIII. So now we're going to show 2007. So 2000, again like what's just happened, is 2 M's. And to show 7, we need VII, one less than what's above. Now we need to do the opposite of what we've done. We now need to work out what our Roman numerals show in figures. So MMCXXXV. So we know that M equals 1,000, C equals 100, X equals 10, and V equals 5. So if we've got 2 M's, we've got 2,000. We've got 1 C, so we can put our 1 for our 100. We've got 3 X's, so we know that there's going to be 30 something. And then we've got 1 V, so 5. So our answer is 2,135. And then finally we've got 1999 or 1,999. So we know M is our 1,000. CM is 900. XC is our 90. And IX is our 9. So our 1,999 is MCMXCIX. I hope this video on Roman numerals has helped you understand them a little bit more. If this has helped you, please give it a like and a follow, and I hope you come back soon. Thank you for watching.